Hey, Rick Sammon here, Canon Explorer of Light, Kelvin 1 instructor. Today I have some quick tips for you on storytelling. When you get to a location, take what a movie director calls an establishing shot. Use a wide-angle lens set at a small aperture to get maximum depth of field. If the contrast range is too wide, use HDR, as I did here with my Canon 5D Mark IV's in-camera HDR feature. Next, move in for some close-up shots, and after that, move in even closer for detail shots. Also, try what I call my one-picture promise. If you ask yourself, if I could only take one picture, what would that one picture be? I promise you that you'll get a higher percentage of keepers and more creative images on your photo walk. Inside a location, do the same thing. Take an establishing shot, again using a wide-angle lens set at a small aperture. After that, go in for close-ups, and that's right. The next step is to zoom in for more details. Experiment with aperture settings. Here I use the small aperture for good depth of field, and here I use the wide aperture for shallow depth of field. It's also very important to see the light, especially seeing the contrast range in the scene. In a scene like this, with a lot of contrast, I set my exposure compensation to -2 to maintain detail in the lighted statues. Of course, think about my one-picture promise inside too. I followed that promise to get this reflection image taken with the 15mm lens. Well, my friends, have fun telling your story on Scott Kelby's Worldwide Photowalk. I'm Rick Sammon. I'll catch you later.